WGSN includes a library of CADs, so you want to make sure you log in. I know the user interface changes a lot on WGSN, but usually it's under Fashion Design. So you want to click that, go to the menu. A lot of times they have tabs across. It looks different all the time. But once you're in Fashion Design, one of the tools, it's, let's see here, going down, it's going to be under Design Resources. So you have access to Adobe Illustrator CADS here. That's the 2D CAD library. You also have access to 3D CADs. These are great in Clo 3D software. You have access to color library chips you can download, and original artwork too, which is artwork that can be opened in Illustrator or Photoshop for you to adjust and change, minimum 30%. So if you are in one of the Illustrator classes and you just want a template to start with, you can click here and filter, use all these little things to sort. Once you find the one that you like, you should be able to click and download. You'll want to figure out where it downloaded and look, see it's saved it as a .ai file, and you will be able to open an Illustrator and change it.